This video will walk you through creating a team and setting it up to best fit your organization's needs. To get started, navigate to Teams and Manage Funds. If you're just looking to send some gifts to your people, there's no need to create a team. Refer to these articles for how to design teams that best fit your program. First, set a team name. Next, you can add a few team members. However, you can always add members later. Select Create Team. Navigate to your newly created team and go to Settings. Under Profile, you can update the team name, image or logo, gift messages, and bulletin board items such as announcements, vision, mission, values, and priorities. In the branding section, you can customize the colors of the platform for your team and gifts and nomination emails. The Gift Reasons section allows you to set and track why gifts are being sent. These can include items such as company core values or milestones. Your team members will be able to choose from these reasons when sending gifts. Select from standard reasons, customize your own, and control your preferences. These reasons can then be tracked to monitor your team's performance across these areas. Internal notes are private custom notes for each gift. Here you can create a drop-down list of options for team members to choose from. For instance, this is often useful for tracking department budgets. The Preloaded Recipients tab allows you to upload a list of contacts to choose from when your team members send gifts. This is optional and designed to save you time. You can also restrict gifts by sender, recipient, or permitted domains. In the Merchant section, you can restrict merchants to be hidden from your team or even create your own custom merchants for a merchant or charity of your choice. In the Notification section, set a low balance alert for team admins or send custom activity reports to team members to keep them engaged. Okay, you're all set. Interested in learning more? Click the chat bubble to access our help center or contact us anytime. Mucho gusto!